Hello, this is Joshua Lazoff, number 26. We're doing the Morse code controlled fan. Whenever the input is greater than 70, the fan shall turn on. So for our first input is 12, which consists of 1 dot, 4 lines, and then 2 dots and 3 lines. As you can see, I show you the Morse code and the number entered, which is 12, and the fan is off. The next number is 45, 4 dots, 1 line, and 5 dots. As you can see, fan is still off. Number is 45. Fan off. Next number, we have 67. 1 line, 4 dots, followed with 2 lines and 3 dots. As you can see, fan is still off, and the number entered was 67. The next number is 78. 2 lines, 3 dots, then 3 lines, and 2 dots. That turned the motor on. As you can see, 78. The last sequence is 90. 4 lines, 1 dot, and then 5 lines. That's 90, and fan is still on. And to turn it off, we can just do 55, which will turn the fan off. Thank you very much.